If you're a professional working with fiber cement siding, you know that efficient, dust-free cuts are a game changer. Today we're looking at the Makita fiber cement shear designed to take on tough cutting jobs with precision, ease, and the powerful performance Makita tools are known for. The Makita features a highly durable build with a cast aluminum gear housing, which keeps the weight low while boosting longevity and sturdiness. Its compact design at just under 15 inches long and weighing only 5.5 pounds with the battery means it's easy to handle even for extended periods. The rubberized D-handle is ergonomically designed, ensuring comfort during prolonged use. Makita's attention to ergonomic details makes this tool both balanced and versatile, suitable for cutting from multiple angles. Notably, the 360-degree rotating shear head enables cutting in tight spaces, a crucial feature for professionals working on complex projects. This tool is powered by an 18-volt brushless motor delivering an impressive 3000 SPM, allowing it to cut smoothly through fiber cement boards up to half-inch thick with minimal dust. This dust reduction feature is essential for health and visibility, making it safer and easier to work in confined spaces or indoors. One of the standout features is the tool-free rotating head, which can pivot a full 360 degrees, enabling users to make precise, versatile cuts without constantly repositioning the tool. The variable speed trigger provides control over the cutting rate, so you can adjust speeds for different materials or cutting depths with ease. Equipped with Makita Star Protection computer controls and extreme protection technology, this shear also provides defense against overloading, overheating, and moisture, making it well-suited for tough environments. Compared to its main competitor, the DeWalt, the Makita stands out with its superior dust-minimizing design and high SPM, which boosts productivity and efficiency. While the DeWalt model is also cordless and effective, the Makita's lighter build and 360-degree head rotation provide additional maneuverability, making it a better choice for intricate and long-cutting tasks. The Makita is available on Amazon for around $630 for the full kit, which includes two 18-volt 5.0 amp-hour batteries, a rapid charger, a belt clip, and a contractor bag. While this price point may be on the higher end, the durability, efficiency, and advanced features justify the investment, particularly for professionals who rely on fiber cement shears daily. Let's break down the strengths and weaknesses of the Makita XSJ05T. Cons: higher price may not suit all budgets. Best for fiber cement, less effective on other materials. Limited to half-inch thickness, not for thicker cuts. Pros: efficient brushless motor with 3000 SPM. Cleaner, safer dust-minimizing design. Versatile 360-degree rotating head. Lightweight and compact for comfort. Durable cast aluminum gear housing. Enhanced durability with star protection and XPT technology. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance fiber cement shear, the Makita is a solid choice. Check out the Amazon link in the description to secure yours, and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews. Let us know in the comments if this is the fiber cement shear you've been waiting for.